Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Coding Session. This is the problem statement. Write a function which accepts a number until 0 is entered or 5 number have been accepted. If you enter 5 numbers through the keyboard, when you should be exit. When you enter 0, you should be exit from the program. Unless whatever the number you wish, you can enter it. And after entering the number through keyboard, and these are the tasks you have to achieve. The function prints total number of entries you have to print. After that, total number of positive entries you have to print, and some of the positive number also you have to print. Suppose if I enter negative also, that should not count for the positive entries. So suppose if I enter a number and 0 to quit. When you enter 0, you have to quit from the program. Suppose if I enter 2 and -5, I have entered 6 and 4 and 3. If you enter 0, then you should be terminated. Now, total number of entries you made, how many total number of entries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sum of positive number, these are all the positive number that count should be displayed on the screen. This is the problem statement. You have to write a code for this. We will write a code for this. I variable, sum is a variable, num is a variable, and positive count is a variable, belongs to the integer type. Now I have initialized sum is equal to num is equal to and positive count variable is equal to 0. I have initialized to 0. Now I will go for the for loop. Now count is initialized to, so how to declare one more. Okay, one more count, total number of entries. Okay, I will declare one more variable. Inside the for loop, I will take as count variable. Count is initialized with the 0. And now count less than 5. Then count is equal to count plus 1. We are incrementing the count by 1. Now, based on the requirement, you can change the values also. Printf, enter the number. Enter the number. 0 to, you can add one more, 0 to quit. Action, control go for the next line. I will use a scanf to accept input through keyboard. %d indicates that integer, comma ampersand of, I will take a number. Then I will use flush stdin to clear the input value stored in the input buffer. And after this, I will place a condition if num is equal to 0. If I enter 0 initially, else whenever I require, in that case, it should be come out of the loop. So that is the reason I'm printing the break. Suppose if I enter negative number, so num, if I enter -1, -5 like that, that will be stored in a num. If it is less than 0, definitely where it should go, we should go for the for loop, incremental area of the for loop. So that is the reason I will place a continue keyword here. If I place a continue, it will skip the subsequent statement and pointing to the incremental area of the for loop. So that is the reason I'm placing the continue. If you enter negative, and count should be increment always. Whether it is a positive number or negative number, count should be increment always. If it is not a negative, so sum is equal to sum plus num. I'm counting it. And also I'm counting the positive count also. positive count plus 1. Then after this, how to print slash in total number of entries. Entries percentage t indicates that integer, then followed by, we'll say count. In the same way, I have to display positive count also, as well as the sum of the positive number also. For this, sum of percentage d, that is a positive number, positive number, then percentage d I will place at the end, and here I will take a positive count. Count should be deleted. Here I will take positive count and followed by the sum of the positive number. Now we will execute this code. Enter the number. So these are the variable, and some of the variable initialize is 0. Count initialized to 0. 0 less than 5, true. Then enter the number 0 to quit. Suppose if I enter 0 suddenly, so definitely this num is equal to 0, then break and counter, it should be exit. Suppose in the next case, if I keep on enter negative number only, negative means -1, -5 like that. So if I enter -1, continue keyword and counter, it is pointing to the incremental area of the for loop. We keep on entering the negative only. I keep on entering the negative. See, total number of entries is showing, but some of the positive entries, it is not showing for you. So now if I enter positive as well as the negative, 1, 4, 5, -5, then I will enter 0. So total number of entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 entries. Positive is 3. Sum of positive entries 3, and total number of you have to count for this 5, 4, 1. Positive entries is 3, and sum of the positive entries is 10. Total number of entry is 4, including the negative number. Guys, do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions and eNote as well as the MCQ. If you are a BK participant, try to alter my code and create your own options. Try to post it as a MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get a very good quality bonus point. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.